So in the last class, we were discussing about logarithmic differentiation. So we are doing the questions. Logarithmic differentiation we will use when the given function is of the form one function to the power another function, that type of cases. Then we apply logarithmic differentiation. I hope you can hear me. Can everyone hear my voice? Somebody to give reply. Can everyone hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now, y is equal to log x to the power cosine x, log x to the power cos x. So we have to find the derivative. Question is find dy by dx. Find the derivative. अभी तक हमने जो देखा स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्मूलास उसमें से ये log x to the power cos x करने के लिए कोई मेथड ही नहीं था. So now we have studied one method which is known as logarithmic differentiation. So we want to take logarithm on both sides. Take logarithm on both sides. So this will become log y is equal to logarithm of log x to the power cos x. So now logarithm of a power is the power of the logarithm, power into logarithm of the base, sorry. So it is log y is equal to power into, power is cos x into logarithm of the base, logarithm of log x. So हमने कल प्रॉपर्टी हमने देखा था logarithm of m to the power p, any number as base. It is power into p into logarithm of the base. That was the property. So we applied that. So cos x into log x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Implicit differentiation. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log y, it is of the form log x. So chain rule, log x का derivative 1 by x. So log y का derivative 1 by y. So 1 by y into, but x के जगह y था, so उसका derivative से multiply करना, chain rule. So dy by dx. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, right side you can see it is a product of two functions. One function is cos x, another function is log x. So you have to apply the product rule. So derivative first, cos x का derivative minus sin x into second, so log x plus first into derivative of second, log x का derivative. It is of the form log x का derivative 1 by x, so it is 1 by log x, but x के जगह log x था, so उस log x का derivative से multiply करना, so into 1 by x. So we applied the product rule here. So derivative first into, so minus cos x का derivative minus sin x into second log x plus first into cos x into derivative of second. Second is log x. So it is of the form log x का derivative 1 by x, so it is 1 by log x. But x के जगह log x था, उसका derivative से multiply किया into 1 by x. Now, so therefore dy by dx is equal to cross multiply with y. So dy by dx is equal to y into minus sin x log x plus cos x divided by x log x. So then you have to give back the value of y. So that means dy by dx is equal to, your y was log x to the power cos x. So log x to the power cos x. Now just write the remaining terms, minus sin x log x plus cos x divided by x log x. That's the derivative of the given function. So we use the logarithmic differentiation. Now, see another question. If there's any doubt, you can ask in this particular question. Okay, next question. See, y is equal to under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So question is find dy by dx, find the derivative. Find dy by dx. See, so here if you see, if you look at first time, it is something like root x form. So if you are going to apply the chain rule, root x का derivative then जैसे 1 by 2 then root इतना पूरा आएगा, then जो भी x के जगह था उसका derivative से multiply करना, and that is again quotient rule. You have to apply the quotient rule. Again quotient, so you have to apply the quotient rule. And you can see that in the numerator it is quadratic and denominator it is cubic. So it will go in a very lengthy way. You will get the answer, but it will take too much time. So we can do one thing here. We can take logarithm on both sides so that we can simplify the function using properties of logarithm. ऐसे कुछ नहीं, logarithm a function to the power function आया है तो सिर्फ ऐसे आया है तो सिर्फ उसी समय यूज करना करके नहीं. You can use logarithmic differentiation whenever it is possible. So you can take logarithm on both sides. Look at this. When you take logarithm on both sides, you can see that how this function will become simple. It is logarithm of root x can be written as x to the power 1 by 2. So you can write this as x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 to the power 1 by 2, because root x मतलब x to the power 1 by 2. Now, so this is equals log y is equal to logarithm of a power. It is power into logarithm of the base. So logarithm of base. I'm going to do it in one step, and you can see this logarithm of, it is like this, logarithm of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. सबसे पहले it is logarithm of a quotient. Logarithm of a quotient is difference of their logarithms. So it is like this, logarithm of the numerator, that is logarithm of x minus 1 into x minus 2, logarithm of numerator, minus logarithm of the denominator. So x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. So first we applied the property logarithm of a quotient is the difference of their logarithms. Now again, if you look at the first expression, it is logarithm of a product. Logarithm of a product is a sum of their logarithms. So it is logarithm of x minus 1 plus logarithm of x minus 2 minus, in bracket, again the second expression is also logarithm of a product. Logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithm, so it is logarithm of x minus 3 plus logarithm of x minus 4 plus logarithm of x minus 5. So this is equals 1 by 2 into, so in bracket it is logarithm of x minus 1 plus logarithm of x minus 2. Then you can see that there is a minus outside, so open with that minus, it is minus of logarithm of x minus 3 minus logarithm of x minus 4 minus logarithm of x minus 5. So now you simplified that function in a very simple way. And you know the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of a sum is the sum of the logarithms. Using these things, you can easily differentiate this. So now differentiate both sides with respect to x, implicit differentiation, both sides with respect to x. Logarithm of y, derivative is 1 by y, it is of the form log x का derivative 1 by x, so log y का derivative 1 by y, but x के जगह y था, उसका derivative से multiply करना, chain rule, do dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 constant into a function, derivative is constant into derivative of that function, so 1 by 2 constant, it is outside. Now inside it is sum of functions, derivative of a sum is a sum of their derivatives. So log x minus 1, first function is of the form log x का derivative 1 by x, so it is 1 by x minus 1. So x के जगह the x minus 1 उसका derivative से multiply करना, chain rule. X minus 1 का derivative is x का derivative minus 1 का derivative, x का derivative 1 minus derivative 1 is 0. So x minus 1 का derivative is 1 only. If you multiply with 1, there is no difference. It is just 1 into anything, it's same thing only. Plus log x minus 2, log x का derivative 1 by x, so it is 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. हो गया your answer. Now what you have to multiply with the derivative y, dy by dx is equal to, this cross multiply with this y, so y, so it is 1 by 2 into y is under root x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Then whatever you got here, 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 4 plus 1 by x minus 5. So that is the answer. That's the derivative. So here, even though function is not in the form of function to the power another function, but we make use of the logarithmic differentiation, because after applying logarithm on both sides, the function becomes very simple. We wrote it as a sum of functions in terms of logarithm, and derivative of a logarithmic function, derivative of log x is 1 by x. So both easily we can do these kind of derivatives. Clear? Yeah. Is there a doubt in this particular question in any steps? Otherwise we'll move.
No,
Yeah. बोल.
इधर सर सेकंड लास्ट स्टेप में सर ये सब में माइनस है, और ये लास्ट आंसर में सब में प्लस आ रहा है.
Oh, okay.
1 by x minus.
Yes, 1 second. Oh, by mistake लिखा है. That two signs are minus actually, क्योंकि it was minus only. वो flow में लिखा गया. There minus and 3 there minus. That three things are minus. Okay, clear? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now we'll go to the next question. Y is equal to x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. So now, so general mistake what the students will make in this particular type of question, they will directly take the logarithm. So logarithm of y, they will write like this: logarithm of x to the power x minus 2 to the power sin x. Then they will write like this: log y is equal to log x to the power x minus log 2 to the power sin x. ऐसे लिखते हैं many students, मैंने कई बार देखा. But this is actually wrong. Can you say why it is wrong? Why that steps is wrong? Anybody can say why that step is wrong? Like whatever I shown with green ink, that is actually wrong step. So why it is wrong? Can you tell anybody? Did you find any mistake there?
सर सेकंड स्टेप
Yeah.
सर अगर वैसा लिखेंगे तो log of वो डिवाइड में हो जाएगा ना x to
Log
the
m
power
upon
x divided.
So basically the mistake what I made there is logarithm of a difference is equal to logarithm of difference of the, ऐसे कोई result नहीं है log. It is nothing like this. There is no result like this. ऐसे कोई result नहीं है. Logarithm of a difference is a difference of their logarithms. It is actually logarithm of a quotient, logarithm of m upon n. Logarithm of a quotient is logarithm of their difference. ठीक है? So either it is logarithm of difference. I can't write it as difference of their logarithm because there is no such result. It is wrong. So clear? Logarithm of a quotient is the difference of their logarithms. Understood? So this kind of mistake in many times in this particular type of questions the students are doing. So here you can't take direct logarithm. So what we will do is we will call this first function as u. Say let u is equal to x to the power x. V is equal to 2 to the power sin x. So now your function will become y is equal to u minus v. So that means now you have to find the derivative. Dy by dx is equal to u is a function of x and v is a function of x. So it is du by dx minus dv by dx. Now we have to find du by dx and dv by dx separately, and we have to substitute it back here. So u is equal to x to the power x. Take logarithm on both sides. So log u is equal to log x to the power x. Here we have to apply logarithm differentiation. Log x to the power x is power into logarithm of the base. So what you got is log u is equal to x log x. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So 1 by u derivative is, sorry, log u derivative is 1 by u, but it is of the form log x. We are differentiating with respect to x. So x के जगह u था, so उसका derivative से multiply करना, chain rule. So du by dx is equal to, right side it's the product of two functions. So derivative first, 1, x का derivative 1 into second, that is log x. I'm sorry, plus first into x into derivative second, derivative log x is 1 by x. So now from here you will get du by dx is equal to cross multiply with u. I'm writing in one step. Du by dx is equal to u into, so u is x to the power x into, in bracket 1 into log x plus x into 1 by x cancel हो जाएगा 1. So you got the value of du by dx. Similarly, you have to find the value of dv by dx. So v is equal to 2 to the power sin x. Take logarithm on both sides. So log v is equal to logarithm of 2 to the power sin x. That is log v is equal to logarithm of a power is power into, so sin x
Sin x log 2.
into logarithm of the base log 2. So now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So 1 by v into dv by dx is equal to, see, log 2 is constant. So constant, we write it as constant only. It is not a function. Log 2 is constant because 2 is a number, 2 is constant. So logarithm of 2 is a constant. So derivative sin x is cos x. So from there you will get dv by dx is equal to cross multiply with the v. So v into, so v is 2 to the power sin x. So 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. Log 2 into cos x. So you got du by dx and dv by dx separately. Now you have to substitute here back here. So from here you will write dy by dx or y dash. Dy by dx means y dash is equal to du by dx. Du by dx is x to the power x into log x plus 1 minus dv by dx. dv by dx आपको मिला 2 to the power sin x into log 2 cos x. That's the answer. So make sure that you won't make these kind of mistakes, like logarithm of a difference is not the difference of their logarithms. So you have to here name the function as u and v. X to the power x is u and 2 to the power sin x is v. Now your function will become y is equal to u minus v. So dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. So then you have to find du by dx and dv by dx separately. So there you have to apply logarithmic differentiation and put back the value, then you will get the derivative. Clear? So that's a logic. So many types of questions are there. So we'll see some more questions. Y is equal to x to the power x cos x plus x square minus 1 divided by, sorry, x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So here also you can't directly take the logarithm. So we just call this function as y is equal to u plus v. So this is your u, this function is your v. So from here you will get y dash derivative du dy by dx is equal to u dash plus v dash. नहीं तो du by dx plus dv by dx. Now you have to separately, you have to find it. So your u is equal to x to the power x cos x. So take logarithm on both sides. So log u is equal to logarithm of x to the power x cos x. That means log u is equal to, it is power into, so x cos x into logarithm of the base. Logarithm of base is x. X cos x into log x. So now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. So log u is derivative is 1 by u into du by dx is equal to, and right side you can say it is a product of three functions. It's a product of three functions. One is x, another one is cos x, another is log x. So you can apply the product rule. So the product rule can be extended to any number of functions. So the thing is you have to find the derivative of one function every step. Keep the other two functions the same. So derivative x is 1 into other two functions, cos x into log x, plus x into derivative of cos x, that is minus sin x into log x, plus x into cos x into derivative of log x, which is equal to 1 by x. So dy by dx is du by dx is equal to du by dx is equal to cross multiply u into, so your u is x to the power x cos x into the remaining, that is cos x into log x minus x sin x into log x, and x कट हो जाएगा plus cos x. So you got du by dx. Now we have to find the second. So your function v is equal to x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. X square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. So here actually there is no need to take logarithm on both sides. It is a quotient to two functions. Use quotient rule. You can use quotient rule. So ऐसे नहीं हर जगह logarithmic differentiation use करो करके नहीं. Here you have to use the quotient rule. So dv by dx is equal to, quotient rule is denominator into, so x square minus 1 into derivative of numerator, x square plus 1 का derivative 2x plus 0, that is 2x, denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator x square plus 1 into derivative of denominator 2x divided by denominator square x square minus 1 the whole square. So what we did is we applied the quotient rule. Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator divided by denominator square. So you can simplify that. X square into 2x, that is 2x cube minus 2x minus 2x cube minus 2x the whole divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So that is equal to 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel हो जाएगा. So you will get minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So आपको dv by dx and du by dx मिला. Substitute back. So therefore y dash नहीं तो dv by dx is equal to du by dx, that is x to the power x cos x into cos x into log x minus x sin x log x plus cos x, then plus dv by dx, that is minus 4x divided by x square minus 1 the whole square. So now, like, you can practice questions from the exercise, like we were doing exercise 5.5. So the pattern is same. There is no crooked method or there is no shortcut. Nothing is like that. If the function is of the form any function to the power function, so take logarithm on both sides, then apply the property of logarithms, then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Is there any doubt you can ask instead of drawing the lines? Do you have any doubt? Okay. So practice those questions. If possible, we'll do some more questions of this type tomorrow, and we will go to the next type, which is parametric differentiation. That is another important type of section, or another important type of questions. There's one question, the y is equal to x plus 3 the whole square into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole to the power 4. अलग अलग तरीके से कर सकते हैं. So ये एक तो आप पूरा expand करके multiply कर सकते हैं, but that time it will become it is something like 5 x to the power 9, maximum 9th power तक आएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा terms आएगा. Then differentiating it will take too much time. So simple technique is take logarithm on both sides. Even if you are going for one way, you can expand, that is one method, or you can use product rule, that is another method. But ये दोनों method इतना अच्छा नहीं है in this particular case, क्योंकि expand करेंगे तो पहले x plus 3 the whole square को expand करना, then x plus 4 the whole cube को expand करना, then x plus 5 the whole to the power 4 को expand करना, then सभी term multiply करके बहुत ज़्यादा terms का sum जैसे आएगा उसके बाद derivative निकालना. So that will take too much time. And product rule apply करेंगे तो again 3 functions are there, एक का power 2 then दूसरे का 3, ऐसे लंबा process जाएगा. But what will happen if you take logarithm on both sides? It will become very simple. Like take logarithm on both sides. It is logarithm of x plus 3 the whole square into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole to the power 4. So it is now, you can see the right side is it's logarithm of a product. Logarithm of a product is a sum of their logarithms. So it is logarithm of x plus 3 square plus logarithm of x plus 4 cube plus logarithm of x plus 5 to the power 4. So again, logarithm of a power is power into, so 2 into logarithm of base. 2 into log x plus 3 plus 3 into log x plus 4 plus 4 into log x plus 5. So the function becomes very simple. Now it's very simple. You can just differentiate both sides with respect to x. So left side 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 2 constant into log x का derivative 1 by x, so 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 constant log x का derivative 1 by x, it is 1 by x plus 4 plus 4 constant log x का derivative 1 by x, it is 1 by x plus 5. So that means dy by dx is equal to cross multiply with y. So y into, so your y is x plus 3 the whole square into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole to the power 4 again into 2 by x plus 3 plus 3 by x plus 4 plus 4 by x plus 5. Okay, both simple. In one step we got the answer, means finding the derivative. If you're using the other two methods like expanding or product rule, it will take long time. ऐसे आंसर नहीं मिलेगा करके नहीं, आंसर मिलेगा but it will take long time. So here Once we take the logarithm on both sides and after applying the property of logarithm, it will become a very simple function. Then you can directly find the derivative in 1 or 2 steps. Actually, in 1 step itself, we got the answer. Okay, the rest of the questions you practice from that exercise. Maybe tomorrow we'll do 1 or 2 questions of this type, and then we will move to the next topic, that is parametric differentiation.